Haha, g'day. Long time no see. Been super sick with the flu and now got sinusitis, but I've got to just get out there and video. So I spotted this HQ Holden when I was driving down Huayai Road, and look at this. Doesn't have a 308 in it. It's got a Toyota V8. 4.5 V8. Look at that. Woohoo. Toyota engine. Very cool.
Very cool.
Look at that. Side pipes. Woo. Centerline wheels. But this place is really cool. So, look, here's an Escort Mark II. Getting restored and modified. That's a Datsun of some description. Datsun Sunny, I think. And look, they've got old Benz over there, Beamers. Oh, they've got all sorts of shit. But you can bring your car here and get it restored. It's a little Civic. But look at this Escort panel van over here. And Mark I coupe with, look at that. Wicked. Toyota 1600 twin cam. That's awesome. That is very cool. And what's this one got in it? Look at the turbo on this thing. Oof. Wow. Recaro seats. This thing's going to be a beast. Full cage. Oh. Look. Another Mark II. Getting restored, rebuilt. Look at this Mark I. The Toyota twin cam. And it's awesome because it's got AC. Look, compressor. Power steering. Oh, love it. Johnny, there is something happening in Hua Hin. Not quite as nice as yours, mate. Yours takes the prize. But yeah. Another one over there, look. Two-door. Two-door Mark II. With a wide body kit. Yeah. Late model twin cam injected. Love it. 1973. Oh, what engine is this one? Is this Nissan?
Nissan.
Nissan. With a big turbo. Wow.
Engine
1800.
Silvia.
Oh, Silvia.
Sharp.
Very nice.
Render.
Turbo. So, we were just talking to the owner of that Corolla, the Escort there. This is the owner's car. He's going to sell it when it's fully finished. It's got a Nissan Silvia rear end in it with double wishbone suspension. I think it's double wishbone. But it's going to put out about 260 horsepower when it's finished. And he's going to sell it for $1 million. Very wicked. I'll come back and have a look at it when it's finished. Now this is a bit like Johnny's car. From Johnny's, there is something happening. To restore or
This is the last time for fix. 400,000 นี่เป็นค่าอะไรคะค่าทำสีใหม่ทั้งคัน color full body color painting
ภายในทำอะไรเป็นยางอะไรทุกอย่างหมดเลย
to restore it.
Yeah.
And the engine on.
แล้วเครื่องยนต์รวมด้วยไหมคะเครื่องยนต์รวมด้วยไหมใน
ไม่รวมครับว่าเครื่องเดิมแต่ว่ามาทำพวก
original engine
มาทำความสะอาดทำอะไรบางทีเปลี่ยนท่ออะไรมันก็เปลี่ยนใหม่หมด
Turbo 1800. How much horsepower this
อัน
one?
นี้กี่แรงม้า
อันนี้ประมาณตัวนี้ประมาณ450 500อ่ะ
450 horsepower in this car. Wow.
But ECU control only ECU about 80,000
Really?
8เฉพาะกล่อง ECU เครื่องตัวนี้
450 horsepower in this little Mark 1. Jeez. What a weapon. Owned by a Scottish man.
เนี่ย
แต่ว่าเรา
เป็นคนสกอตแลนด์
สกอตแลนด์
Up, look up. What a beast. We'll go and have a look at some normal cars now. Righto, moving on. Come down to another place. And if you watch CB Media and maybe Bag Q Garage, you know this place. It's Storm Garage. And they do a lot of resto work here too. Look at this Beetle. So they've done the body work on this. But I came here specifically because I knew they had some Holdens. And look, here's a Tirana. That's not a UC, is it? I can't remember. But look, Bentleys, beautiful Silvia, 350s in here, Lambo. Look at that. Anyway, we'll keep moving. Look at that FD RX-7 over there. So I've been wanting to come here for a while because HT, HK, HG, Monaro, Jeep, Cherokee, getting some work done. Look at that. So I dig up. All the interior's been done. Masking up for paint. To come back and see what they do to it, what engine they put in it. Volvo 740. Look at this, old 5 Series. Auto. And the boss's wife drives that BYD electric. Very cool. Don't know whether that's a real AMG, but look at that E-Class. Look at these. Very nice. Fully air conditioned, but they do perfect storm car film and detailing. There's Supra. So Sue was just asking one of the bosses here about this S15 Silvia, which is actually a Nissan 200SX underneath, which I thought were the same. But this is for sale, 450 horsepower. Pretty wicked. And how much do you reckon this is? 900,000 baht. Okay. Looks great, doesn't it? You like it?
Yes. Cool. Spot.
5 speed. What year?
รถปีอะไรคะ1998
98.
start
1 Who wants the beast? Wicked. Top hook up. See you soon.